I don't know.
jump
It's just a
it.
cinematic though.
Yeah, I wanna see that.
Yo, I'm in. Didi, is that you?
Hold on, I'm in a helicopter. Yo,
Me
where
too.
you at?
Yo, is that you, bro?
Yo, is that y'all? I
Damn,
think
I'm
that's
80
y'all.
frames.
Yo, what's
Where y'all
up?
at?
Yo,
Yo, what's up? Yo,
you're
where you
the-
going?
yo, my
Where you
name,
going?
No,
yo,
you're too.
yo, what's your names?
Where?
What's your names?
I'm Jeff the Dolphin.
I'm Edward Puffton.
Oh wait, no, I don't know my
Fuck, I
name.
said Jeff the Dog.
Oh shit, my bad. Yo, we gotta start it off like together, all of us saying Chad. Like, once we're on the floor, once we're on the forest. Whoa, what is that?
Oh, who's
What's
this?
it?
Oh, my name is
Yo, who's next to me? Who's in
Edward
front of me?
Puffton. Just
Oh,
Joe.
Oh
Joey.
no, I'm
No,
Edward Puffton.
no,
Yeah,
I don't
we're
think.
all
No, I don't think this is us. I think this is from the first game.
No, this is the guy we're looking for.
Oh,
Turn on my computer.
I turned off mine too.
Me too.
Oh shit, what's happening?
I think that's how it
Why?
started. It started.
Fight
Demons.
demons.
Fight demons.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, we're going down,
Yo.
Chad.
Yo, chat.
Yo, Chad, open the glider.
Chat.
The gliders.
Chat.
Holy shit.
Kobe Bryant. I'm sorry.
No.
Yo, Joey.
Yo, what'd you say, bro? Yo, you need help? You need help? Oh shit, my
Yo,
bad,
why
bro.
were-
my selfish
we
ass.
late as
Yo,
fuck. We let us let him die, bro. We late as shit.
Our
I'm proud of it,
selfish ass.
We watched bro
Selfish.
die.
Now we selfish, bro.
What is going on here, bro?
Alright.
Do not
Yo,
scare.
help him. This guy's
Oh
in the
no,
water.
no, I know what's gonna happen.
Oh,
An
he
animal's
dead.
gonna take his ass. I feel like someone's gonna take him.
I need to get
Something's
outta
dragging
here.
him down. Something dragged him down.
Oh, kick E, press E. I'm kicking this shit.
Oh, I see this shit.
I'm breaking the window.
You guys are a little bit ahead
Press
of me.
E. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm breaking the
Didi-
window
Didi's a
right
little
now.
bit ahead of me too.
I'm getting out of this hole.
Alright, we
I'm
got
out.
this bitch.
Arc 3, Chad, here we go. Man, where am I?
Yo, for
Swim.
real, swim up, bro.
Am I supposed to control this guy?
How am I supposed to swim up?
Oh, I passed
Oh.
out, man.
Oh, me too.
Where Cardi B at? She put something in my drink. Oh, who's this?
Chat.
Oh, I
Bro,
see this. I see this
what
shit.
the fuck?
Yo, help me up, bro. Hey.
Yo, he just.
Yo, chill.
My bad, cuz.
Yo.
My bad. No balls.
Yo, that motherfucker.
Are you recording,
What
Didi?
the f- Yo, is that you?
I think
Yeah.
that's us
That's
three.
all of us.
That's us three.
Yo, come on, yo. Oh shit, we gotta roleplay.
Alright.
Oh my god. Hold on, I just found some.
Yeah,
Open
Yo.
the
I
emergency
just
only.
found my emergency supplies.
Oh, it's a sword. It's a
Where that?
hatchet. It's a hatchet.
Yo, guys.
Yo,
What's good?
so-
Yo,
guys, you guys
ready,
invited,
ready?
look.
Wait, Didi, in 3, 2,
Yo, what's up?
1.
Wait,
What's
how you
up,
take that
bitch?
out? Wait,
Chat.
how you take
We
out?
gotta do chat.
Okay, ready?
3.
We gotta look at each
Oh,
other.
look
We
at
gotta
this
look at each other.
motherfucker.
Joseph,
Look at this
come here.
motherfucker.
Joseph,
Look at this
come here.
motherfucker. We gotta help him. We gotta help him.
Surround them.
We gotta help him.
Do it around
Ready?
them. Oh, this
3.
motherfucker.
How do you take out a stick?
How do you take out a hatchet?
Hey, yo, looks like something wrong with his man. His eyes don't look right, bro.
Oh, he's
Oh,
the
nah.
guy he listens to you.
Oh, what? Follow me. Follow me.
Sure, flip to the
What
shore.
color?
We gotta roleplay. Like we
Okay.
don't know each other.
We gotta crash.
I'm over here. Ready?
Yo, I got a sword. I'm equipping this knife.
Yo, we should start game chat. Not gonna lie.
Nah.
Alright,
Nah,
ready?
How do you
fuck
go
that.
game chat?
Go.
Wait, wait,
Actually,
wait.
no, we don't.
Talk.
Let's not ruin the audio. Let's not ruin. Okay,
Alright,
ready?
ready?
2, 1. Oh my god.
Wait, who's saying chat? Who's
Yo,
saying
what?
chat?
Yo.
No, okay.
You
okay.
ruined it.
Okay.
Oh, my bad.
Target, Joseph, go in the shore. Go in the shore. We're gonna act like we don't know each other.
Guys, okay, this time it's gonna be. We're gonna be like, yo, who are you? And then once it's like quiet, we're gonna be like, chat.
Yeah. When we all link up on
Shit.
3 of us, we gotta go all dead quiet for like 5 seconds, or like 3 seconds, and then we all at the
As
same
soon
time
as
we're
I
like,
swing, as soon as you see me
yeah, we're
swing,
like chat.
you'll be like, chat. I.
Okay. Yo, where am I, bro?
What the?
Yo, who's that?
Yo,
Yo, who's
that?
y'all?
Yo, what's up? Yo, what's your name?
Yo, boy, you friendly?
Oh,
I'm friendly,
What
bro.
the fuck?
I'm friendly.
Oh,
Yo,
I'm Jeff
what's
the
up?
Dolphin, bro.
Oh, what's up,
What?
man? I'm Garzon.
what the fuck? Who the fuck is y'all?
Oh. Whoa. Calm down, bro. Why you yelling? Yeah, we all friendly,
No,
right?
no. Who the fuck is y'all?
Yo, bro, we cool, we
Be
cool.
cool, bro.
Oh, alright, 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 alright.
Yo, fuck this shit, man. Let's get to the fucking game, bro. Fuck this shit. Man, play this bitch ass game.
That awkward silence, Joey. You're so slow,
Yo,
bro.
yo, Joey, you gotta cut it there. You gotta like put like the static effect or something. You gotta put
I gotta
that
put the
beep.
birds.
Oh my god. Chest. Yo,
let's
I
go,
could.
man. Alright,
I tried so. Wait, nah, bro. You can open these chests. Look at them.
Wait. Look at those bodies. Y'all see the bodies on the shore?
Oh, what is this?
Oh,
Alright, we're gonna have to test it out. So y'all gotta hit each other.
Wait,
Yo,
hold
no.
on. I'm opening my
Shit,
emergency
shit.
pack. Chill.
yo, he down, I think, you know. Hit it from the back, Would you
bitch.
look at
Oh
me
shit!
Yo, what the fuck? No.
Oh, he killed me!
Oh shit!
Did I kill
Yo,
you?
get the
Oh.
loot! Yo, get the loot! Get the loot!
Okay,
Get the
wait, you
loot!
guys can res me. You guys can res me.
Alright, we can res him. Oh, what the fuck? Where'd he go?
Did I die? I died. Okay.
Oh shit!
Chat.
My bad, bro.
Fill out the Google Doc to
Yo.
Yo, my bad, bro.
for a new
Yo, I
trainer.
did not think you
Oh
died.
guys, look! I come back from the spawn. The water. I think I'm gonna come from the water.
Yes. Wait, I think it's the other way.
Yo, I made a
got-
spear.
Wait, open the emergency pack located in your inventory. Oh, I think,
Yo,
I think it's my bag. I think like when
Yo,
I die, it
where
gets
the fuck
spawned
y'all
somewhere.
go?
Oh,
I made a
here,
spear.
here.
I made a fucking spear.
How'd you make a spear?
You have to craft it. I had 2 sticks, 2 duct tapes, and something else. Where the fuck is the fish at?
I don't know.
Oh.
I need a gun.
The normal island. You're mad right.
Normal island. There's nothing here.
Oh.
guys.
I got berries.
Let's go follow the road. Let's follow the road.
Yeah, that's
I
fine.
think it's a beautiful day.
Yeah, okay, yeah. We gotta go
beautiful
for a hike.
day.
We gotta wait for a friend.
Yeah. Pull up.
I'm coming. Huh. You could check
Why
your
are, you,
MS.
why are you walking like that? What the hell?
What happened?
Oh yeah,
Why
Didi,
you
what the
walking
hell are you
like
doing?
that?
What's
What
happening?
are you doing, bro?
What do you mean? I'm walking normally.
You're like waving your arms, like.
Find the Puffton
Bro,
family.
you
We gotta
look
find the
so
family.
retarded.
What? Yeah, let us fucking go. Come on. We're trying to find a billionaire. Don't forget our mission here. We're here to find this fucking
Yo.
old ass.
Kill him!
Rich-
Ah,
Kill him!
that motherfucker.
Oh shit, yo, what the?
With my spear,
Yo,
bro.
Whoa!
Nah,
I'm
that's
sorry.
messed up, bro.
I am sorry.
I got
I
Yo,
can't
you can't say that looking like that, Didi.
What you mean, bro? Look like. Yeah, hold up. I'm doing it right now.
Yo, you look
Oh,
so
I see.
retarded, bro. You look
Oh, I'm crafting.
Bro,
Yeah, that's what I'm
you
saying.
look like you're flying. Or like you're falling from the sky.
And now we all got spears, bro.
What is
Nah.
that? Okay. we strapped now. Come on.
We strapped. Let's
Bro,
go.
What is
Wait,
it?
yo, look
Let's
at
go,
me and
let's
say
go,
we
yeah.
strap, bro.
Yo, Didi, I don't think
What?
you're gonna be killing anything like that.
What do you?
Hill, Didi? That'd be the hill, that rock right above us. That, should be,
this
that would be a good
ledge,
spot.
yeah. Let's
Let
go.
me-
Oh,
up
a bunny! Oh,
Fuck that
kill it!
bitch.
Kill it! Yeah! No,
Give me the
like,
meat. Give me the meat.
get the meat.
Give me your meat.
there. Whoa, what?
Oh my god! There's 2 of them! There's 2 of them!
Talking about.
What the hell? Oh, yo, who the hell?
Yo,
Yo, y'all friendly?
What's up, gang? No, he's
Yo,
not.
chill.
Oh!
Oh shit! Oh,
Yo, he knocked my fuck out of me, bro.
oh shit! Another one.
Oh, again.
I hear something.
Yo,
There's someone! Yo,
what the?
Jovi!
Yo, what the
What?
fuck?
Oh, we need our spears,
Yo,
bro.
yo, he killed our boy. Bro, he's coming after me. Oh, fuck that.
We all gotta kill him.
Fuck his ass up.
Yo, he has a
Kill him,
fucking-
kill him.
I'm about to die, bro. I'm about to die.
You guys are good. Just bring him back.
Yo.
Oh,
Keep hitting him.
shit.
Keep hitting him.
I'm dead. Bro, yo, he pulled my ass
I got
up.
him.
Yo,
I
it's
got
up
him.
to you, bro.
We got him.
He died, he died.
We're good.
Stab his ass, stab his ass.
I got you.
What the fuck?
Make sure he's dead. Make sure he's dead.
Fuck. I don't think he's dead, bro.
No, not yet. I bet.
No, I don't think he's dead.
I think 2 of us should have the spear out just in case.
Nah, I think we should tell scary stories, man.
I bet. Just to come here. It's time. It's
Sure,
time
sure.
for scary
well-
times with guards.
How long
and
does
Dev the
the
Dolphin
torch
and
last, bro?
Nuggets.
Okay, I think I'll go first.
Yo!
Oh!
Oh my god!
Yo.
I'm out.
Yo! Yo!
I'm
Grab your
out.
fucking hatchet!
Nah,
Grab your
fuck
fucking
that.
hatchet!
I
Fuck
fell.
this
I
fuck this
fell.
motherfucker
Oh
up!
shit, I'm dead.
Fuck
I'm
this
dead.
motherfucker.
No, come,
I'm
come.
down.
I fell.
I'm down.
He said.
I'm
Joey,
down.
why would you fall?
I
I'm
got
down. Get up,
scared,
yeah,
bro.
get
He
up,
was
yeah.
right behind me.
Oh.
It's
the
becoming.
fuck?
I see the moon.
Oh, what the fuck?
Holy shit, this
Bitch ass
He was
motherfucker.
right behind me.
Kill that motherfucker.
That's one
Kill that
scary story.
Yo,
motherfucker.
bitch ass.
That's one scary
That
story,
fucking
guys.
bitch
That
ass.
is-
Yo, that was
nah,
dead ass.
nah,
That was
Perfect
one
timing.
scary
Yo,
story.
I knew that shit
Nah,
was gonna happen.
Okay. Okay, come on.
That shit was gonna happen.
Okay, let's go back. Let's come on. Back to the stories. Back to the
Dude, I
stories. So there was once this
pay
boy.
attention, bro.
Oh shit, my bad. I was seeing if we could pick that up. I guess not.
There was once. Yo, look at my fucking. Okay. Yo. Okay, there was once this boy who wanted to make a YouTube channel, right?
Ah.
And
I hear
when
him,
he
I
went
hear him.
to
No, no,
make
fuck
the
you,
gy-
fuck you.
Okay,
I hear
okay,
him, I
chill,
hear him.
yo. What
You're
you mean, bro?
lying.
Yo, we're good.
I
We're
hear him, I
good,
hear him.
bro.
No, fuck
You're
you.
we're good. What are you
You're
talking
lying.
about?
Don't fucking scare me, Joshua.
Dude, nah, you're acting crazy, bro.
Alright,
You're
just stop
listening. You
moving.
have voice in
Stop
your head.
moving. Stop moving. Stop
Okay,
moving,
say it
stop
some more.
moving.
Everybody just chill.
Huh.
Okay, so
He's really
where
chill.
was I? So
Yo.
the boy wanted to start a YouTube channel, and then he decided to make the Gmail account, right?
Mhm,
And he was under 18.
Okay.
Not underage.
What you mean? That's
What
still
the
a scary
fuck?
story,
Ah,
guys.
bitch.
Yo,
you
yo,
hear that?
yo,
Yo,
oh
yo,
my
that
god.
shit.
Oh
That's
my
fucked
god.
up.
Oh my god. Yo,
Dude,
yo.
no, we
if-
should have built the base. No, I think we finished building the base, bro. I'm
Okay,
scared.
I want to go in the middle. Oh, fuck that. I'm going
fuck
now.
that. Fuck that. Oh, we're going now? Alright, fine.
I see
Okay,
him.
this is
I see
fuck.
the kid. I see the kid.
What kid?
Okay.
Oh, that's a bird or is that a kid?
What are you talking about? Where, Joey?
Down there in the river. I
I'm
think
just-
he's crossing the river back and forth.
I think you're seeing something, bro.
Bro, you're seeing voices, bro, so.
Yo,
That's a
you.
bird. That's a bird.
Oh, what is that?
No, yeah, that's a kid. That's a kid.
That's a
look.
kid. What the hell
That's a
is
kid.
that?
What are you talking
Bro,
about?
In the river.
It's a
he-
fo- They think they're the king? Nah. Yo, he's right here. He's right below us, bro.
Where, bro? I don't look the guy. I don't see the guy below us.
Yeah, there's one right below us. Look where I'm at.
Oh, I see them. I see them.
Nah,
They're coming.
he
They're
went
coming.
away.
They are. What the hell?
I'm
what
running.
the
Yeah,
fuck?
I'm out.
Yo, let's get out. Let's get out.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah,
go,
yeah,
let's
yeah,
go,
yeah.
let's go. Go back. Go back. Help me. Oh, shit.
Yo,
Oh,
Let's
right
go,
here,
let's
right here.
Oh, shit. Follow me. Let's go down the road. Go down the road.
Yo,
Let's go. Let's go.
fuck.
Come on, guys.
Get sticks, stones. No, get sticks.
Oh, I just showed him.
I can make him go get fish. I can make him go get fish.
Okay, let him get
Go,
fish.
go, make him. I don't think nothing happens to him.
Go fish
Total.
and give to me. Yeah, I'll make him give it to me, and then I'll give some to y'all.
I gotta
Oh.
go. He's going. He out. Good boy.
Bye, bro.
Alright, good luck, bro. Good luck
Oh.
fighting off other cannibals.
Well,
We didn't even give him a weapon. Good luck, though. Yeah,
okay, well, he's about to fish right now. It's your
I'm
fault
going
for
to
telling him to
McDonald's.
do something.
Hurry up, bro.
I want chicken nuggets.
Dude, stand right here, bro.
Oh, fuck, you can't see them. I see them perfectly.
Oh, I see. He's right underneath you. Oh shit. This is hard as fuck. I'm not gonna cut. Oh, got his ass.
This motherfucker really taking a break. Who told this motherfucker to take a break?
Oh, what the
Nah,
hell?
Get your ass up.
Yo, chill.
Get your ass up.
Yo, chill.
Fuck you,
Yo,
bro.
chill.
Nah.
Let him